And now on your next inhale, flip your front palm, reach up and back. Your back hand rests lightly, no weight. Keep the strength in your legs. Imagine creating space throughout the entire body, like you are opening a pathway for your breath. Your ribs expand. Breath moves into the spaces between them. Lifting without collapsing. Upper body is light and lower body is grounded. Stay here, breathe steady, and feel the balance between effort and ease, strength and softness.